Wednesday, 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 Wednesday.
Well, hey guys, it's Wednesday.
Hump day.
Time for another Adam and Carrie Funko Pop Mystery Box Duel.
Yes.
So guys, first off, as always, want to say thank you for all the support. If you feel like you want to during the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and join that like squad. Now guys, YouTube has been a little wonky lately for a lot of channels giving out notifications when videos go live. So remember, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern, my videos are always there.
Never late.
Never late. And also, click that little bell, and when you do, click all. That'll help you out get notified of the videos.
Yeah.
So, if you're new here, welcome. And
Hi.
hopefully by the end of the video, we can earn your subscription and a thumbs up. So, what I want to start with, well, no, we got to tell everybody tonight, you know.
Oh, yes.
8 p.m. Eastern. Great special guests on there tonight, guys. We got some great prizes. I went and I picked up a couple of these John Winger, Bill Murray Stripes Walmart exclusives.
Sweet.
And
ooh, it looks so old school.
And we've got the Concept Series Darth Vader from the 2020 Galactic Convention, exclusive to GameStop to give away. We'll have our patron giveaway. Plus, we always have some more fun with some giveaways.
Yeah.
So, guys, down below, hashtag.
What's today's hashtag? Darling?
No, hi BOP.
You want high BOP?
Yeah, hi BOP.
Just say hashtag hi BOP.
So that'll be easy, guys. So we're going to have a couple of these to give away. We're going to have this Darth Vader Concept Series to give away.
That one's so old school looking.
Yeah, the concept
Star Wars,
is kind of what they look like. So it'll be pretty cool. And we'll be giving that away tonight. So hashtag hi BOP. We'll put that here below for you guys for tonight. And it'll be a lot of fun. It'll be a lot of fun. We'll do some cool giveaways and get to talk to everybody.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot of fun. We got this letter in the mail.
Yes, we did. And I am going to open it for you.
Yes, and this is from Kelly and Cindy. And you know me and my epic letter opener fails, so Carrie is now officially in charge of the letter opener. So this is from Kelly and Cindy in Canada. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support.
And thank you.
A person's age. The first one. Wait, there's two.
Oh, yes.
A person's age is kind of like my butt crack.
Another year older. It doesn't show. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, it says to Adam, everybody's a lot happier when it doesn't show.
Yes, there we go.
Another year older, it doesn't show. Happy birthday, your friends Kelly and Cindy from London, Ontario, Canada. And this was actually my card. So I'll let Carrie go ahead and read hers.
It's your birthday. Forget about the Fountain of Youth. To Carrie, what we need is the Fountain of Chocolate. Have a delicious birthday. From your friends Kelly and Cindy in London, Ontario, Canada.
And
thank you.
The mail's been horrible, so, you know, it took a long time.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, but it's okay. We just got them, and we're definitely going to read them, and we very much appreciate it, guys.
Thank you.
The support, and just amazing. So, we got another thing I want to show. Which is,
and I see it, and I'm like...
I know. Gabe Miller Customs.
Yes.
He's awesome. So I'm going to link him down below on IG.
You won't believe.
Guys, what is... Look, boom. It's Ironbeard. Check him out. He even did the box.
He's
Look at the back.
Now his own pop.
I've got my own Ironbeard pop. Is that not sick? So, guys, I'm going to link Gabe down below and definitely go hit him up if you want a custom. He's doing some sick customs of a lot of different people and a lot of different pops.
That's cool.
I was super excited to get an Ironbeard from him. It was awesome.
Yes. Awesome. Very, very, very awesome.
All right, so...
Now what do you want to open?
Well, we got this from the Funko shop.
Oh, yes.
And sometimes when we get things from the Funko shop...
we have to open it.
Well, and some of things Carrie has to. Oh, you know what? I got a surprise for you.
Oh, you have a
don't even know
surprise
what
for
it was?
me? Yeah, you said something, and I was like...
Yeah, I got a surprise for Carrie, because after we open these up. You only need to do one.
It's a sticker!
Oh, did they give us one of the stickers?
It's a Lucky Charms sticker.
Oh, the Lucky Charms Leprechaun.
And I actually have that t-shirt.
We have never gotten one of these before.
No.
I've seen they've been doing them. I'll put them over
Yeah,
here.
I've seen Top Pops and a few other people
I'll put
get
them
them.
over by the Lucky Charms Leprechaun.
Yay.
Now, we got 2 of these guys.
Yes.
And one of them, if you were watching our live, is actually for my buddy Jeremy at Captain Pops, who's also a patron of mine. And he won this prize on the spinning last week. So I'll keep that one aside to send to him. But, guys, it is here.
It is Franken Freddy.
From the Funko shop. It's nice. Not in the greatest condition.
Well, that's what I was noticing.
Jeez.
It has a big, yeah.
That one's
I don't
destroyed,
know, yeah.
guys.
See the whole snap right there in the paper?
I mean, and it matches my Monsters set, too.
Yes.
You see on the back, it says Universal Studios Monsters.
Huh.
It's actually from with the Universal
Interesting.
Studios Monsters. It's a pretty cool one. I did get a few of them, but the one for
Weird.
the one for Jeremy is
right
here,
there.
and I'm going to keep it completely sealed, and
Yes.
that's the one he gets. And then this one will just be the one it is.
Huh.
So, you know. All right, so I got a surprise for you to open.
Yes.
And it was so funny, guys, because I was at Walmart today.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored by Walmart or Coke. We got and I was walking through the aisles looking for stuff.
No.
And I saw something. I was like, I got to get a couple of these for Carrie to open on the video today.
Oh, no.
And then you wore that shirt. And I was like, oh, my goodness.
Oh, no.
So they are Care Bear minis. And they're mystery, guys. So you could get, there's 10 different Care Bears. And a special Care Bear coin in each. And I got them at Walmart.
Wow.
They got a bunch of different Care Bear stuff now. Lots of Care Bear stuff. So I found these, and I was like, oh, man, I got to get those for you. Have you try to open those?
Oh.
Yeah, try.
Try exact. That is the exact term for this. Try. Won't come open. There we go. Well, there is this little dotted line there, but what comes in here? Ah, it's a Chair Bear.
The same one as
It's
the
the
shirt
Chair
you're wearing.
Bear. Yes.
They said that it all of them they had pink and blue and white and stuff, but they're random figures, so I didn't figure getting pink would.
Ah.
And it's got a coin.
Yes. Oh, if I can get it out. It's a little Care Bear coin.
Yeah, check that out, guys. It's pretty cool.
And on the back, it says, care out loud, hug a friend to cheer them up. Say it, show it, share it.
Nice.
Very cool. I love this. I utterly love this.
Well, go ahead, give me this, and then...
Here, let's see. Yeah, there's all different, there's like 10 different ones you can get. Which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Different ones, different coins.
Yes. Hope you got that.
And I already kind of sliced that for you.
Well, it's like real thick. So it doesn't go down a slice. See, that was the little pull thing you're supposed to do. The next one is... Aww! It's Grumpy Bear. And then he comes with his own coin as well. It's a I Care Grumpy Bear coin.
Aww.
And it says the same. Well, forgive a friend who was grumpy to you today. Aww.
Very cool, huh?
Yay! I loved these.
Cool.
These are very cute. And maybe since now I'm working at home, I'll put these on my desk downstairs.
Nice.
I love these little cases, though. I'll show you here. Take that garbage. See the case?
They are pretty cool.
It's really cool.
So, all right. So, guys, we have got a crazy mystery box from Mitchell over at outPOPulated, a friend of mine. He's a good dude. And he was selling these boxes for 25 bucks each shipped, $20 guarantee. The top box was like $240, right? These boxes have could have 2 pops, could have a 2-pack, or could have a 3-pack in it. So all the boxes are exactly the same size and shape.
Yes.
And they're all numbered. So before we do the battle, we're going to pick the numbers that we want. And then before we've even touched them, we know that we picked them.
Yes. And then he will, since you lost last week.
So guys, we have got a $200 Funko Pop Mystery Box Duel this week. It's going to be super great. We're going to have some amazing stuff. We got chances at like the glow-in-the-dark Jolly Roger and tons of other, the 3-pack of the dragons from ECCC last year. We've got Tom and Jerry 2-pack. There's some really good pops in there. It's going to be amazing. But, you know, I lost.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have to freaking dress
you
up.
lost last week. So let's pick our numbers so he can get in costume.
Okay. All right. So we picked our boxes.
Yes.
So, I don't know, guys.
He has to dress up yet again. Because if you know, I believe the score is what, 20-14?
I don't remember anymore.
Something like that.
But guys, hey, we'll be back in a sec.
Hey guys, welcome back. Before we get to Adam in his costume, I figured I'd start playing you a song. I win. I win.
Hey, I'm sick of you winning. I'm sick of you winning. I'm sick of her winning. Hey, guys. Yeah, so I'm in a toga.
Yes.
You know, I'm sure a lot of you understand this reference, but I was looking and I actually have him right here. Here is Bluto, Toga Party, Belushi from Animal House.
Yep.
So thanks for the suggestion.
Yes.
But I am sick of losing. We've got some amazing
So we
boxes.
saw it very fit.
Look at the
to go with
size
that
of this
skin.
box. Look at that large box from Walmart.
Yes.
All these pops in it.
And it is full, isn't it?
It is.
Let's see.
Full. Oh, guys, and when this video's done, you have got to stick around for the bloopers. I'm just going to let you know right now. Hilarious. I'm laughing.
Yes, we were having
about
fun
them right now.
making the thumbnail yet again.
Well, not only that, but just wait. Just wait. All right, so for you got 29.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, we did already pick our numbers.
Already pick, and you
22 is mine.
Well, no, we don't. These are huge.
Yes,
so
we don't need them all on the
them
table, I guess.
Okay, and I got 8. So you want to go
first? You
first?
are the loser, so you go first.
No. I'm just a secret winner.
You are the loser.
Remember, guys, these are $25 each with free shipping. They have either 2 pops, a 2-pack, or a 3-pack, and they're guaranteed $20. Oh, so this one's got 2 pops in it. The top box on this is worth $240.
And couldn't there be a range of different amount of, like, up to 2 pops?
Yeah.
Or
I
a
said that.
2-pack?
That's what I said. I said there could be 2 pops, there could be 2 packs, there could be 3 packs. But they're all in the same size boxes.
So you don't know what you get.
Now this one's not in a pop protector.
This is the other one.
No, it doesn't seem like either.
So what did you get?
Protectors. The first one I got out of this box, guys. Boom.
Ew.
Oh!
What's that?
It's Papa Emrys from Hot Topic exclusive. That's a good pull.
From Ghost?
Yeah, from the band Ghost. That's awesome, guys. You could check out the artwork of Papa on the back there.
It's a Hot Topic exclusive.
It's sick.
Yes.
I've got him, and I've got the other one, the white one as well.
So you said you had 2 pops in there. What's your other pop?
I'm getting to it. Oh, it's Ink Bendy.
Ooh.
So that's a pretty cool one from Bendy and the Ink Machine.
Oh, okay.
And there's the rest of the set on the back.
Isn't that cat?
No, it's Bendy.
Oh.
I don't think Bendy's
Bendy
a cat
is.
or anything. Bendy's just a character.
Oh.
If you guys know what
like a
Bendy
cat.
is, let us know in the comments down below. But I know he's not a cat. But it is from a video game. Remember, guys, for the prizes tonight, for the ones from Stripes and all the prizes tonight, hashtag down below.
Hi, BOP.
Hi, BOP. You got 2 in there?
Yeah, I got 2. I know, I just started opening it right on top. My first pop is...
What is it?
Bam. It is... Oh, whoa. Cyborg as Green Lantern.
Toys R Us exclusive, guys.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's awesome. Very cool pop. Don't have Toys R Us in the States anymore. So
No,
cool
that's
to
what I was
get.
going to say. So it's
Cool
from
to get
before
it.
then?
No, it's from...
That's 2016, correct?
Mm-hmm. It could be from Toys R Us
Yes.
here. It could be from Toys R Us in Canada.
Well, the Canadian
all
one
the
has
same.
the Canadian
I think
thing
it was
in
all
the
the same sticker.
R. No, every time I've seen a Canadian one, it has the Canadian maple leaf. Yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. I got one more.
Oh, okay.
Mimba. I know, I forgot all about it because I was talking about that. My second pop is... I'm trying to find the edge. My second pop is... Bam! Harley Quinn, HQ Inmate.
From the Suicide Squad. You could see the, I think, 15 pops on the back. That are in
Yeah,
that
there was a
Suicide Squad
lot
set,
back
and
there.
that's not even the exclusives.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's 15. Yeah, 15.
Hmm.
Nice. So, all right, so we got box 13, and Carrie picked box 22.
Yes.
Thanks, Mitchell, for outPOPulated with the boxes. They did sell out, and really cool boxes, and I figured it would be fun to duel. So, all right. So, in here, let's see.
What you got?
Looks like I got 2 more pops.
Ooh.
These are really, really wrapped. So.
Yes, I know. You have to, when you're looking away, you have to find that crease that goes downwards across the pop.
Wow, Mitch.
Yeah.
The first
Ooh.
one is the ECCC Flocked Bulbasaur.
That's cool.
It's a cool pop. Just got Bulbasaur on the back. That's amazing. Good hit. Good hit. And the next one I got is... Man.
You're just looking, aren't you, too?
There's no way to do this quickly with not looking. We have so many pops in here.
I know.
So there's just no easy way. Boom. Black Widow from the Marvel Gamerverse pops. I do have this one in the chase, but this is definitely a cool pop. You can see the rest of the set on the back right there, guys.
Just so y'all can see their sticker. Here is outPOPulated sticker.
Oh, did he give a sticker?
Yes, I
Oh,
saw
nice.
it right on the top of the box. So I figured
And we'll
I'd grab
definitely
it.
be linking up Mitchell over at outPOPulated. Good guy, good guy. Gonna put his sticker. One of my...
Is he on here?
What?
I could have sworn no, I think he's on the old desk, isn't he?
No, I've never had a sticker from him.
Oh.
Never had a sticker. And he's
Wow.
actually one of my oldest friends. Me and him.
Well, that's what
and,
surprises me the most.
That Metal family, when they were around, used to run together way back when I first started doing all this. And then, life happens.
Oh, yes. My next pop is Yara Greyjoy from Game of Thrones. Very cool.
Nice.
And then my second, yeah, I do have a second pop in here. My second pop in here is, oh, it looks like an anime pop. It is, ooh, Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan
2
Gohan.
Gohan. It's in a protector.
Yeah.
It is the first one we pulled with a protector.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Very cool pop.
Very cool.
Definitely.
Huh.
Alright, so those were your two. So
Yes.
I got box 30 here.
And then
And you
I
have
had
box
box 12. I wanted to save 12 till the last.
Well, then you can save 12 till the last. Just set it over there.
I'll set it right
over.
here.
And you have
9.
9.
Yep. I figure while you're opening your box, I might as well open mine.
I'll try to get this without opening it, guys. Without looking, but...
Yeah, if you open that top first, it's easier to find that strip.
So this one's in a pop protector.
Ooh! What'd you get?
Boom. Oh, that's the, that is the Mysterio Togata from My Hero Academia. That's the Chalice Collectibles exclusive.
That's sweet.
It's in a pop protector. It's a very cool pop. See the rest of the wave in the back. That's a good hit.
And then
Very
I take it you got a second pop.
Yes. Well, I haven't got any big hits out of here yet. Boom. From Spider-Man
Ew.
Far From Home, it's Mysterio. And these guys seem to be multiplying. This is
He's glow in the dark, isn't he?
He is the glow-in-the-dark Walmart exclusive.
Yes.
You've seen the glow before, but I'll definitely be...
popping it up for you.
Yep, definitely.
Yep.
So there we go.
What? My next pop is... Okay, it is
15 minutes.
Oh, oh, I know, in 15 minutes. Here, let's put it down here.
minutes. My next pop is...
The first one out of here is... I'm trying to find... I can't read it, so... My first one is Black Panther Eric Killmonger.
Oh. Nice pop. It's nice.
Turn it around. That is all the other pops in this series.
Wakanda Forever.
Oh, is this that one?
No, well, he's part of the movie.
Oh. Very
Nice.
cool. And then the second pop in this box is... Bam! Hulk! From the Funko Insider Club?
Yeah, that's from
From the
GameStop.
Avengers?
GameStop.
Oh, okay.
No, it's a GameStop exclusive, too. That's pretty cool. Definitely.
Yeah, very cool.
Nice score. All right.
We got some pops here.
Yeah,
At
guys.
least you can see out of your costume this week.
If you see...
This would have been a bad week to pick a costume that you can't see out of. Oh, be careful.
Now, remember, guys, now next Tuesday on the 8th, 6 to 9, I'm going to go live on Whatnot and do an auction.
Yes.
You might see some of these, plus there's going to be some huge grails I'm going to sell. So it'll be a lot of fun. Come hang out. I'll have some prizes. It'll be a good time. All right. My pop is... Oh, boom. Harley Quinn Demon from The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Very cool.
That's a pretty cool one, guys. Check it out. You can see the rest of the set on the back. Don't collect these, so I don't think I have this one. But this is definitely a pretty cool pop.
pretty cool.
Definitely cool. All right. My last one is Boom, J Balvin. There he is. I've gotten so many of these.
Is it the chase or the non-chase?
No, it's the non-chase. I've gotten so many of these guys, and if you're looking
pulled
for
a lot of them.
8 o'clock on Whatnot, Tuesday the 8th, 6 o'clock. 8 o'clock tonight.
Yes.
Hashtag high BOP down below to win all the prizes. It's going to be a super amount of fun.
Okay, this is my number 12.
Special guests.
Ew. My first pop is... My first pop is... Thor from Avengers.
Bro, Thor.
It's so out of town. My second pop.
I want to win this week. Maybe J Balvin will let me win. Or Mysterio.
My last pop is Mysterio, the glow in the dark.
No, that's the light up.
This is the light up,
Yeah,
so
there
we
should
won't
be a
have to
button
give
right
you
there.
a glow in the dark.
Stick your finger in the hole.
Light. Why do I always end up sticking my
I
finger
don't
in
know.
holes?
Okay.
That's what she said. He lights up.
That's literally what she said.
Yes.
Sweet. See? Boom. Glow in the dark and that. See, I told you
So
we get
look,
a lot of Mysterios.
here, put it up next to it and you can see it glow. Bam.
Boom. All right, guys. Give us a few minutes. We're going to go total these up.
Yes.
And then we'll be right back to declare me the winner. And
Oh,
then you guys
yeah,
are going to have to comment
Say
down below
you the winner?
who wins,
Really?
who she's going to dress up like next week.
Oh, I like how he's already claiming
Yeah, I'm
the
going to
win.
win.
Yes.
All right, guys. We will
We'll be
see
back.
you in a few minutes.
Hey guys, we're back. We've got our totals. I'm going to go first, and then we'll see if Adam can pull off the win. My first pop is the Hulk, and he is worth a measly $3. Then I have Thor, which is worth $7. And then I have Eric, Killmonger, which is worth $8. And then I have Yara Greyjoy, and she is worth $8 as well.
Nice.
And then I have Cyborg from Teen Titans Go, and he is worth $9. Next, I have Harley Quinn, and she is worth $15. And then I had Mysterio, and surprising, he's worth $25.
No, not surprising for the light up one.
Well, I figured the glow would be worth more than this
The
one.
light up one, because there's very, very few light up ones. So what was your total?
Hold on, I got one more. I got Super Saiyan 2 Gohan, and he is worth $30. So that gives me a total of $105.
Yeah.
Adam, can you beat me this week
I hope.
with mine?
Well, we got
With yours.
We got $105, $100 spent. So.
Oh wow! Really?
So the first one I got is Ink Bendy, $9. Then I have Papa Emrys 2, $21.
Wow.
Then I have Bulbasaur from ECCC, worth $18. Then this was a little disappointing. Mysterio was only worth $12.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And then the Black Widow, Chase, and Common have dropped considerably, $11. And then you got Mysterio Glow in the Dark, $12, a little less than half the price of the light up one. Then you also have Harley Quinn Demon, which is worth $11.
Wow.
And then you have J Balvin.
Well, hold on. You haven't caught up to mine, so I wonder if he is worth...
Yeah, but J Balvin is worth $22, guys. So I'm sick of losing, and I have finally won 116 to 105.
Wow.
We got $21 over our value for these boxes.
Yes.
Not bad for boxes. We didn't lose. Got some really cool pops. Thank Mitchell so much.
Yes.
Hopefully
Very good pops.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, high BOP down below for the prizes tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully we've earned your subscription, guys.
Join the like club.
Like squad.
Like squad.
Click that thumbs up. Make sure to click the notification bell with all to be notified of our next video.
Yes.
Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
And join
9 a.m. Eastern time.
Yes.
Join us tonight, guys. Until next time, Adam and Carrie out.